I know, Your Holiness, that you yourself are a head teacher of a school in Ghana. I know that you are an educator yourself. I would love to hear something of the ways in which you practiced Islamic principles in the education that you were involved with as a school leader. That would be most interesting.
Our schools are just secular schools, and all the secular subjects are taught there. Religious knowledge and Islamic religious knowledge. Even to your surprise, and it was also to my surprise, that when I went in one of our schools, only BK, Bible knowledge, was being taught there in that school, yes. Not Islamic religious knowledge. So when I went there, I started it. And quite a number of people were afraid of studying Islamic religious knowledge. So I told them that I will teach them. So I taught them whatever the prescribed syllabus was. And fortunately, the very first year, almost all the students had good grades in Islamic religious knowledge. And that encouraged other Christian students as well. So next year they came to me that instead of taking Bible knowledge, they will study Islamic religious knowledge. So see, this is how, if you are teaching them properly, they are encouraged. So it all depends on the teacher as well. Otherwise, we should taught our school in an assembly, we shall start with prayers. And since it was a secular school, then Islamic prayers and Bible prayers as well. So more than 80% of our students in Africa are Christian students. They are not Muslims.
Yeah.
Even more than that.
Yeah.
We are very open. We start our assemblies with the prayers, Bible prayers and Islamic prayers. And this is how they liked it. And then they understand how open Islamic religion is. So, but it was not being done by Christian schools there. Even if a Muslim student enters a primary school, they will change the name of the student. They will give them Christian name. So, or in other way, those students or those pupils are baptized forcefully.